everyone! Today we are going to learn a simple grammar trick that will help you learn parts of a sentence more easily. Everyone ready to begin? We already know that prepositional phrases include objects of their preposition, their modifiers, and conjunctions. Let's look at some examples. Sammy went to the beach. The prepositional phrase to the beach includes the word to, which is the preposition, the word the, which is the adjective, and the word beach, which is the object of the preposition. Or, the cat walked toward the flowers and the trees. Here, the preposition toward introduces two objects of preposition, flowers and trees, and the conjunction and the an adjective. Is everyone following along? Because the only words allowed inside a prepositional phrase are the objects of the preposition and modifiers, all other parts of the sentence, including subjects, verbs, direct and indirect objects, must be found outside of the prepositional phrase. This is a great tool to use if you have trouble identifying the other parts of a sentence. Let's look at the previous example again. Sammy went to the beach. If we want to find the subject and verb of Sammy went to the beach, we should first cross out the prepositional phrase to the beach. What are we left with? Sammy went. And you guessed it, those two words are the subject and verb. What if we want a more complicated sentence, such as, Jenny rode her bike quickly around the block? Here you should still eliminate the prepositional phrase. Do you know what it is? That's right, it's around the block. Once you eliminate that, you're only left with Jenny rode her bike quickly. From there, you should be able to apply the rest of your grammatical knowledge to identify the action, rode, and the one doing the action, Jenny. With this new trick, you're on the road to identifying any part of a sentence. Goodbye, everyone. See you next time.